Testing commenter suggestions for fixing bed adhesion on a 3D printer. Leveling your bed. Leveling your bed should always be the first step in dealing with any bed adhesion related issue. I actually forgot to put this in the video because I'm so used to it. Hairspray. Hairspray is a great alternative to glue sticks for creating a sticky adhesive layer for the first layer of your 3D print. I didn't have any accessible to me at the time, so I forgot to mention it. Initial layer height of 0.1. By going into your slicer, you can set the first layer to 0.1 height. This should help the first layer to stick down better. Keep in mind, this can affect the cooling of your part, as the rest of your part will have less material between it and your usually heated bed. Water and soap. Some people say water and soap, some people say isopropyl, but it really varies on your bed. For PEI, use isopropyl alcohol and some paper towels or a microfiber cloth. For glass, use dish soap and a rag or sponge to scrub and remove oils. If you want to remove print remnants from the glass bed, use a razor blade. Tuning your Z offset. If you have a CR or BL Touch or another auto bed leveling probe, you may need to tune your Z offset. This is the distance between your nozzle and bed. Tuning this to be as close to your layer height as possible while still adhering to the bed is important. Not everyone has auto leveling, hence why I didn't make the first video. Just get a new printer. It is true that printers from the likes of Bamboo Labs and Prusa tend to be more reliable than printers from Creality or other more budget brands, but I don't think I'm going to be dropping $1,000 to fix my bed adhesion, to be honest.